Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my real 6 a.m. college morning routine. I wanted to take you guys through what an actual morning in my life looks like, because I know sometimes I try to make it look all aesthetic and cute, but it is definitely not always like that. I also don't always wake up at 6 a.m., but today I had a bunch of things I wanted to do before class. I had an early class and I wanted to get up, be productive, and get ready, make myself feel good. So that is what I'm doing. After my alarm goes off, I take a solid 20 minutes to lay in bed and contemplate life before getting up and going downstairs. When I get downstairs, I'm greeted by the two lights of my life, Archie and Fluff. You guys know the vibes. Of course, I am grabbing my tall glass of ice water like I do every single morning. Very important to stay hydrated, and I think that starting the morning off with a very refreshing glass of water is a great way to go about that. I decided I wanted to shower in the morning today. Typically when I have an early morning class, I shower the night before, but I kind of just wanted that extra boost, that nice wake up, and I thought this would be a good way to do it. So of course I am turning on a podcast. I swear that I listen to a podcast every time I'm doing absolutely anything in life. And I also am washing my hair today for the first time in a solid 4 days. I've been able to extend it that long. I'm very proud of myself, but it was time. It was time. You guys know. Obviously, I'm following this with my morning skincare routine, which I swear that I show in every vlog, but I love this feeling of being refreshed and just ready to start the day. Also, doing my skincare while listening to a podcast is just really nice me time. I feel like especially while school is happening, like right now, I don't really get a lot of that, so I try and take advantage of it. So bad. What the fuck? Somebody wanna let me know? Somebody wanna let me know? I'm not happy. My skin used to be so good. I don't know how I did it, but I got it to be so good. And now this won't go away. It won't go away. I've tried everything. I tried everything. It's frustrating. It's frustrating. Oh god. Well, it's too early for me. It really is. Okay, what are we wearing? Not really feeling the whole jeans thing today personally, so we're gonna go with our trusty Princeton sweatshirt that we've seen 8 million times. Where are my leggings? I think they're on the floor. I wore them yesterday, but I don't give a fuck. All right, we're gonna wear these leggings from Aloe, and maybe I'll wear these with it. I think that would be cute. My platform-ish black Converse. No show socks, of course. And that'll be it. I need to brush my hair. That's what I forgot to do. I knew I was missing something. I didn't put my leave-in. Okay, I'll do that. I'm just gonna change and then we're gonna go back downstairs and we're gonna fix this thing, so. Princeton sweatshirt never fails us. Back downstairs to do my hair. Oh, holy f***. Okay, welcome to my hair care routine. So typically I do this when my hair is still wet, but I forgot, so whoops. It is still wet, it's damp, so it's fine. And this is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. I've been using this for years. This is my tried and true. I genuinely think that this makes my hair grow. I can't prove that, but I just think that compared to the times when I didn't use this stuff, I do think that my hair grows faster when I use it. I only put it on the ends and just brush through because I don't put anything on my roots. I mean, I figure when I'm brushing through the ends that a bit will transfer onto my comb. I always use a wide tooth comb when my hair is wet to avoid breakage. I never put anything on my roots because they are notoriously oily. The only thing I put on my roots obviously is shampoo to wash them. So that's that. And then after that, I put this on the ends, Moroccan oil treatment. Just a little bit goes a very long way, and you don't want to get it too much because it's oil. And like I said, my roots are oily. We focus this only on the ends. It also smells phenomenal. Oh, it's getting sunny out. Is it supposed to be sunny today? Thank God. That's it for those products. I want to use a blow dryer brush, but I don't know where it is. I'm gonna use this to blow dry my hair. I do not ever just regular blow dry it because it looks gross when I do that. It gets frizzy and weird. But I also have class in like 2 hours, so I am not confident that my hair will dry nicely for that, and I don't want to take any chances. So this is the Revlon, I don't know what it's called, but it's the thing that you brush your hair and it blow dries at the same time. Ah, so loud.
Start your computations.
I would like to make a public service announcement that this is the best bread. I don't make the rules.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe. What the f? Okay, the last part of actually getting ready is doing my makeup. I need to order more concealer. Probably do that in class today. Okay, makeup routine, check. it turned out nice today. I need to go downstairs. I need to fill out my water bottle, grab one of my protein shakes to take with me for after class, and then we're gonna go to Dunkin' and we're gonna get ourselves our morning coffee. Whenever I have class, like where I'm physically going in the morning, I always stop at Dunkin', but if I don't have class in the morning or I don't have to go to school at all that day, I make it at home. So today I have class. I'm about to go, and that's why I didn't make coffee yet today. I need to brush my teeth, and then we can head out. This always happens, dude. How? Tell me, someone explain to me this. Riddle me this one. Woke up at 6 in the f***ing morning and I'm still late. I'm f***ing still. Bitch, I'm still late. I think I'm good. Oh, my protein shake. Oh, thank God. Thank God I remembered it. Not me in the f***ing fridge in my garage, okay? This lighting slaps. Let's fucking get it. You're so sweet. All right, so drove past the first Dunkin' option and the line was out the parking lot and into the street. I'm already running late. This is what happens every single time, and you would think I would learn by now. This is what's gonna happen, but there's another Dunkin' that I can try to go to. I'm just gonna try and go there. The point is, I'm not showing up to class without an iced coffee. I'm not. I just arrived at the second Dunkin' location and there is nobody here. Oh my God, God is looking out for me. God is looking out for me. Hi, could I please get a medium hazelnut iced coffee with cream and no sugar? Thank you. Success, bitch. All right, so I somehow got here on time. Actually, I'm a little bit early. How insane is that? It's so funny. This happens to me literally every single day. Okay, the sun. This happens literally every single day. I think I'm gonna be late because I leave late, and then I somehow, it's like the traffic, the lights were on my side today, so I'm very, very happy about that. I have my coffee. I would like to publicly say that I'm really, really offended and upset that Dunkin' discontinued the toasted coconut flavor, because that was what I was really, really vibing with. But I'm back to my hazelnut swirl now, because what else am I supposed to do? I just feel very betrayed, but it's okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna go to class now. So that concludes my morning routine. This was fun, taking you guys along. This is really like a no BS what my mornings are like every single time I have to go to class. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and with that being said, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday, and if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified right when I post a new video, make sure to turn on my post notifications. It's the little bell icon so that you never miss an upload and that you get notified right when I post a new video. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go to class now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.